under their curse.
All right, YouTubes. We're gonna go in here and work on this wine cooler. First thing is to load up the parking meter. I use the app for that. There's the vagina. Let's get in here. Thanks, buddy. I'll show you what we're working on here. Gonna get barreled, Harold. Look at that big old wave up there. Oh yeah, back over here is this two-sided wine cooler. It has like little kegs of wine. Already got the tools in here, you can see. We're filming on the iPhone today. I forgot the GoPro at home. You can see this side's not happy. It's at 64. It's set for 55. And this side's at 55, and let's see what its set point is. 45. So everybody's off by about 10 degrees. Sounds like the H.V.A.C fan's running in this thing. Yeah, if I come over here, the H.V.A.C fan's running, so I'm gonna check our refrigeration. I'm gonna pull this out to get behind it. So I'm gonna put on the headlamp and let's move this thing. Like most places we work, space is the biggest problem. I'm gonna move this down here. I'm gonna move these out of the way and we'll get this out this way. So I gotta get to the back of it. All right, I got it pulled out. Got one plastic bag back here. I'm assuming it's got two. I don't know if it has two separate refrigeration units or how it works. I'm gonna have to check it out. Let me get this back cover off and scope it. All right, it's got one condensing unit. It's pretty dusty. Let's see here. There is a schematic. Let me see if I get a picture of it. Here's what I figured out on here. The one side, which is on this side, the temperature control for that unit only controls the evaporator fan motor. VE is evaporator fan motor. The cooling unit on the other side, which is the colder one, actually has the leg that goes to the compressor. And gauging up on it, it looks like it's low on charge. And it is running. Let's see if I can do let's see if we can top it off and get this thing cooling. All right, I got a squirt in there. That looks a lot better. 20 degree evaporator. And this is a neat little unit. One side thermostat controls the compressor. The other side just controls the fan, so it gets cold enough. And then this side will always run colder than that side. Okay, so this side operates the compressor. We're at 45.7. When it gets to 45.0, it turns off, and then this evaporator fan on this side will turn off. This evap fan will keep running to suck some cold air over to get this down to 55, and then this evap fan will turn off. So that control only controls an evaporator fan motor. And this thing's like split in half. It's got a divider. And we got two evaporator fans. And they're both running. So it just kind of steals cold air over from this side to this side. And this side runs 10 degrees warmer. It's got a leak. It's low on charge. All right, we hit set point, compressor's off, so the icon left is for the evaporator fan. And then on this side, we still have the evaporator fan icon. So the evaporator fan still runs on this side when the compressor's satisfied. This one here, the fan's gonna turn off when it gets to 55. There it goes. We still got the compressors off on that dude. We're just running fan. This one's coming down. Fan only icon. This hits 55 and the fan will turn off. This one's gonna rise, compressor will kick back on. All right, this one has a 4-degree differential, so it got to 49, compressor kicked on. You can see by the compressor icon on the top, fan icon on the bottom. Get closer. This one's showing the compressor icon, but it's just controls the evaporator fan on this side. Let's see who makes this. She has a gasket down the middle of the door to divide them. Micro Matic makes this. Micro Matic. MPT 23W. Okay. All right, that's a wrap on that one. We're gonna get them a price for an evaporator coil, and in the meantime, they're gonna use it. That's a neat little unit. And if you like the video, smash the like button. If you haven't yet subscribed, please hit the subscribe. It would help the channel out a bunch. And stay tuned. I got the stickers coming. If you guys follow the Instagram or saw the post, I got some of those stickers coming. Let's do it. All right. See you on the next one.